My name is Maggie, and I'm going to be showcasing the new Mary Kay Winter 2025 products for you. And I'm just going to start it off real quick, and I'm going to share with you that we have 5 new colors from one new product, and they are called the Mary Kay Shimmer Eyeshadow Stick. Okay, these are replacing the liquid eyeshadows. If you have those or like those will be discontinued. So if your beauty consultant has any, like then they're like get them from her, but then they're gone. Okay, but you're gonna fall in love with these brand new colors and the brand new formula of these, and they have a shimmer in them. And you can create like versatile looks by adding the shimmer, the wand, and then adding our Chroma Fusion eyeshadows of your color choice over them, on side of them, whatever. Or you can even use these to you can build them and use and add dimension to them by using a lighter color and a darker color. Okay, so I'm going to show, I did put them in the back of my hand so you can see them. There's the 5 different shades. They glide on. They're like, don't move. They've been on here for about, I don't know, an hour or so. And there's a little teeny bit of that shimmer that came up, but I mean, they didn't move. I'm pushing pretty hard. And so there are 5 colors, and the 5 colors are they come in these sticks like this, okay? And then there's these 5 colors. This color, okay, let's just show you them. This is Copper Nova. This one is super pretty. This coppery color here. I'll put this one on. Okay, so this is Copper Nova. And I'll just glide this on like this. Ooh, that's really pretty. So then I just put it on. This one I do have one shadow on. This one I had nothing on. So I want to show you guys the difference. So this is, okay, Copper Nova. I love this one. So this is, Copper Nova is this right here. You see that? That's Copper Nova. It's kind of like this coppery color, but not like super brown, like the one below it is a bronze. Okay, so that's Copper Nova. You could, if you wanted to, if you needed to, like, just blend it a little bit. This is the blending brush, just kind of blending it a little bit. And you can just leave it as it is, or again, like I said, you can layer it. On this side, I have what's called pink prisms. Pink prisms. Let me find pink prisms. Oh gosh. Is this pink prisms? Golden Nova. Okay, well, let me just show you what this one is. This one's Golden Sunrise. Okay, so that's this lighter one, and that would be this one right here is Golden, oh my gosh, Golden Sunrise. Yes, Golden Sunrise. The one I just did is Copper Nova. Okay, and then this color is Radiant Bronze. So this is a bronzy color. That was this middle one here. This is the bronze. Love it. Super smooth. When I put that one on, I was like, wow, that's creamy. Midnight Galaxy. This is like a gray. This is this gray here. So that one is there, like a stormy color. And then we have Pink Prisms, the last one, the one I was looking for. Here it is, Pink Prisms. That's this first one that I have here is Pink Prisms. And that one is over here already, but I'll put it on again so you can just kind of see. And it's super lightweight. Yeah, I love them. So they retail for 20 each is how much they retail for. Let me just yep, 20 each for each stick. Okay, so there you go. I love these. These are going to be hot. These are going to be regular line also, okay? That you can get from your beauty consultant. So they're going to be in this brand new book that is either in your mailbox, showing up in your mailbox. You've already got one of the 3. You're gonna, that's this one. If you are a preferred customer program person with your beauty consultant, okay? Okay, the next product, I love these. Oh, and then you can take them off, you guys, with their oil-free eye makeup remover. These are, you shake this, it's in 2 layers, one's for waterproof, one's for non-waterproof. Take that off with your eye makeup remover, lickety split. And there's something else in my eyes, but I'm gonna leave that one for last. Okay, this product, okay, this one is called the Barrier Restore 113. Barrier Restore 113. This is in a pump. This is like a serum. I'm gonna put this on here. And what this is going to do, it's going to just repair the skin barrier. And you're like, what's the skin barrier? Okay, every single person that's watching this, you all have holes in your skin. Okay, that's how I'm going to explain it. Okay, so think of like a brick wall. And like when you have a brick wall, nothing can get in and nothing can get out, right? It's a brick wall. It's solid, solid. But when you have a like holes in the brick wall, like or like let's say like a netting has holes in it, right? And if I sprayed water through like at that wall, that net wall, those gonna like water's gonna go right through it. And so that like your everybody's skin right now, because your barrier is broken down, whether you know it or not, there's holes, and that's where all your moisture is just seeping out of those holes. And that is where if you have drier skin, if you have redness in your skin, if your skin just gets super sensitive, like that your skin barrier is broken down, girlfriend, and we want to help it. Okay, so that's what this is going to do. It is going to build and strengthen the bonds between your skin barrier, and so that you can have less dryness, less redness, less itchiness, less rough texture, less overall dullness. Okay, and because we all have that compromised skin barrier, so we're gonna make sure we can build it up, strengthen it with our Barrier Restore 113. What does the 113 stand for? Well, let me tell you. Okay, so oh, I have it on my screen because I gotta have some notes here. So the skin barrier, uh, the 113, okay, it means 1 part fatty acid, 1 part ceramides, and 3 parts cholesterol. And so those are all going to help to strengthen and the skin barrier and improve and retain moisture, preventing water loss, preventing all the good things from getting out of your skin. We put on our great like ceramide boosters, we put on our moisturizers, we put all that stuff into our skin and help it to be really healthy, but it can deplete over time. And so the ratio of this Barrier Restore is scientific so that it can help have essential lipids that can help to rebuild the barrier of your skin. Okay, so that's what those are, and that's what it's doing. And so just know, like, everybody needs this. Everybody should try it at least. It's 46 bucks. It's like, wow, a steal. If you're using it morning and night, they say the reuse up rate is 1 month, but we all know that Mary Kay products usually last longer than they say the use up rate is. So I always like to put a date on the back of my product when I start using it to see how long it actually takes me to use a product. So I'm super excited about this. And not that I have redness or itchiness, but I do have a little bit of like dullness. And if you have over exfoliated, if you that's when, like, if you didn't just don't know and you might have over exfoliated, like your skin can deplete good things from it. Okay, and so and like all the icky stuff that's flying around, like the pollutants, the UVA, the UVB rays, the harsh chemicals in the air that we can't see, that's all thinning our barrier wall. And so that's just like a natural process that our skin goes through. And if there's over sun exposure, if there's over exfoliation, if there's like you're just outside in the climate all the time, maybe you work outside, then that can compromise the skin barrier and that can cause all those things. And so this is just going to help it to keep it super healthy. I'm excited about this. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you're excited about it as well. Again, it retails for 46. And what I also love is that it starts reinforcing the skin barrier by 43% in just 3 hours, you guys. In 3 hours, it starts to do that. Think about what it could do every morning and every night. Blows our minds, right? Okay, love this. Barrier Restore 113. Okay, the last one of our winter products that is launched, is the wonderful, beautiful, new Great Heights mascara that is waterproof. Okay. Now, Great Heights mascara is in this tube and it has a curl, like it's curved on the end. Okay. To give more length. Okay. See that curve in it? That's the Great Heights mascara. It's the same formula, but this one's in waterproof, but the bristle is straight, just like our old you can see how creamy that, look at how creamy it and like just luscious that, I don't know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyways, the straight bristles on there, just like our previous waterproof mascara and our Lash Love mascara has that straight bristles like that. So, but this is the waterproof one. They're in the same tube. I know that can be confusing. But just know that there is the waterproof. I love it. It's glides on. It feels super light. You don't feel like you have waterproof mascara on. I already have it on. I've been wearing it, you guys, day in and day out. I have been. I had it on, I put it on earlier, and that's why it looks like I'm black here because I kind of like smudged a little bit. But you know what? I was like ready and set and willing to just do this video so I can record this for you guys. And so I didn't care. Anyways, so this immediately boosts the visible length of your lashes. It's workout tested, so it lasts through an intense cardio workout. It wears up to 12 hours without smudging or flaking, humidity resistant, not humidity proof, but humidity resistant. Lightweight formula that includes vitamin B5s and also vitamin E. And that just means that it's conditioning your lashes. It's almost like a primer in your mascara, all in one, which we love. And so not only do your lashes look noticeably longer, but they're also just healthy. They're healthy, they move, they're not like super hard. And it's easy to take off with our oil-free eye makeup remover because there's waterproof eye makeup remover in here, but make sure you shake the formula and put it on a cotton pad. Hold it on your eyes for just a few seconds, you guys, before, because everything's hard, right? Soften it and then gently wipe it away. So the mascara retails for 18. The eye makeup remover retails for 20. I don't know. I'm loving this mascara. I think it's worth trying. And these beautiful colors for the eyeshadows are beautiful. Again, you can layer them with our Chroma Fusion. You can get the brushes to blend them, to apply other eyeshadows with them. I think they're just beautiful. Okay, so you guys, thank you for watching. And I want to let you know that your secret word for your discount with your beauty consultant is restore you. Restore you. Okay. That is the secret word. Because we just want to pause, you guys. And before diving headfirst into the new year, which is just around the corner, we want you to just take a moment to restore you. Um, and so whether it's like taking time to repair your skin, protect your skin, um, going into the colder weather, treating yourself to something new, something for you, and allow your beauty consultant to help you so that you can take the guesswork out of what you need for your skin, and what you and how easily you can incorporate this into your Mary Kay skincare regimen. And or do you need a new cleanser? Do you need a new moisturizer going into the winter months? Do you need a new foundation shade matching? Let your beauty consultant know because they certainly can help you out with all of that. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the new winter products. Bye-bye.